What I wish I knew at the LA premiere instead of just watching it online. How Tyrese and Vin Diesel's reunion would tug at my heartstrings. Tyrese Gibson couldn't hold back the tears at the LA premiere of his new movie 1992, when his Fast and Furious co-star Vin Diesel showed up unexpectedly.
You're so emotional, Tom.
Oh my God! Let's get a new shot, guys. Let's lighten up.
To the right. To the right.
Take it. Come on. Prayer hands. Every day is a blessing.
Tyrese was completely overwhelmed. This isn't the first time we've seen Tyrese emotional. Remember when he got teary on The Breakfast Club? In 2017, he also went viral during a custody battle. But this moment was pure joy and friendship. Tyrese later explained the tears, saying how much Vin's support meant to him. Even Michelle Rodriguez was there to witness the heartwarming reunion. Fast and Furious fans, this just proves how deep the bonds are between these stars. Sometimes it's more than just movies, it's family.